if you are wondering if we have to purchase a power adapter or charger for POCO X8 Pro, then first we need to answer a couple of additional questions because the answer varies. So if you expect the power adapter to be included inside the box of POCO X8 Pro, then in that case it depends on the country where you live in or the region where you live in. For example, in Europe, in European countries, at least in most of them, as well as in some other regions, like for example in the United States and so on and so forth, in these countries and regions you cannot really find power adapters anymore. They are not included. I don't think there is any brand that still sells power adapters with smartphones. Maybe there are some small exceptions here and there, but in this case you will not get a power adapter. And if you live in, let's say, Southeast Asian country, then most likely there is going to be power adapter included. So if that's your concern, if the power adapter is included or not, you might want to either check the back of the box of the phone. So if you have the option to check the back, then you can take a look here and you can clearly tell if the power adapter is included or not. And you can also try to check the website of Xiaomi or POCO, because you can sometimes find this information as well, especially if there is like a website made specifically for your country. And in some other cases, you can just ask the person that is selling the phone to you if the power adapter is included or not. However, if you don't really care if the power adapter is included or not, because you have your own power adapter, for example, from your previous phone, and if you are wondering if you need to purchase a power adapter in that case, then the answer is most likely no. So if you have USB power adapter, then you can still use it with your POCO X8 Pro. You will be able to charge your phone pretty easily without any issues whatsoever. It should work just fine, unless you're looking for an upgrade, of course, because the POCO X8 Pro can charge the battery using 100 watts at most. So if you have a power adapter that has less than 100 watts, of course you can consider upgrading the power adapter, although it is not really necessary. So this is something that you can keep in mind. But generally speaking, if you already have a power adapter from your previous device, then in that case, even though the power adapter of course is not included inside the box in many cases, this shouldn't worry you and you can still use your previous power adapter. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.